What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Now I want to come back with another video. Hey, man, say, man, look, I appreciate y'all for coming through, man. Do me one favor, man. If you took a bath today, hit that like button down below for me, all right? If you didn't take a bath, don't worry about it. It's okay. We all go through them times, you feel me? So just skip. Just don't mind what I said, you know what I'm saying? Just stay musty, feel me? But if you're new to this channel, man, make sure that like button, make sure that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Shout out to that boy Lil Rock. Make sure I go like, make sure I go subscribe to his channel. We about to hop straight into this 3-year dreadlock journey hair growth. Let's hop straight into it. Okay, and he's starting off with copyright music. We damn sure about to mute you, my guy. Okay. So this is basically over the years, I guess. And this is the results of his 3 years right here. I ain't gonna cap, bro. You really did your thug thizzle, cause like, if you didn't have locks, your head looked kind of weird. But you got a peanut head like me. But locks really saving you. This nigga done got a whole music video.
The joke's on you. The fucking joke is on you.
The hell? Music video for real. Hold on, what? Oh nah, your ass on some crazy shit. Buddy on some crazy shit, y'all.
Hey, y'all, it's your boy L-A-R-O-C-K, back for another video. Today
I ain't gonna cap. You stole that shit from
Dreadlock journey. Yes, man. I can't believe it's been 3 years. Like, it's crazy, bro. I remember cutting my hair back in 2019, and now look where we're at.
Hold on, pause, though. You on your street? You are bold.
Lil Rock, your hair grows slow. Nigga, shut the hell up. But nah, before we actually do the Dreadlock review, bro, I gotta get a retwist, so let's go. All right, y'all, I just pulled up. I'm about to get my hair done. Low-key,
I told y'all he got that special head. He ain't got no nut head. He got like an alien head.
All right, here we go.
He got the Jesus sandals on? That's tough. With the Nike tag? Somebody got a flat.
I love black people. Look, I'm not even finna cap to y'all, bro. Every single time I get a retwist, when they start to get, towards the top of my head where the corners are at, this hurts, bro. I'm not sure if I'm tender-headed.
Bro, the whole retwist hurt me, bro. I be crying the whole time. I don't get this shit like that.
Anyways, but I feel like right here, this
the whole damn retwist.
I feel like she tried to finesse me, bro. Like,
how?
No cap. I'm not sure if y'all want to story.
How she finessed you?
But, bro, this lady, I feel like my intuition is telling me she tried to finesse me. 1 minute the price was this, next minute the price changed. I'm like, whoa, what is going on?
Oh, she seen you got that money.
Let's take a moment of silence.
You didn't pay before? That's tough.
And figure out what the fuck is going on. Nah, but all jokes aside, she ended up giving me 2-strand twists, and I, decided to keep them in for about a month and a half. So this next clip is me taking them out and talking to you guys. So yeah. But let me give you guys a quick update on how I maintain my hair throughout the journey, because honestly, bro, I
don't want to know how you maintain your hair, bro. Your hair got goddamn red, brown. Then it looked like you tried to dye it back black. I don't know, G.
You know, bro. I mean, honestly, every single night, bro, I put on a bonnet, bro. Like, I feel like a bonnet is better than a do-rag.
Facts.
One, I feel like do-rags, bro, when you wake up at night, it's hot as hell, and nobody got time for that. You wake up with hella lines in your forehead. I don't got time for that. I just throw on this bonnet, you know what I'm saying? I throw on my little bonnet or whatever. Some people say I look foo-foo like this. I don't give a damn. But honestly, one of my favorite hairstyles of all time, bro, is 2-strand twist. It's actually starting to grow on me because, like, I feel like the longer your locks are, the fire they are,
Facts.
And I also realize, like, the longer you keep your 2-strand twist in, the longer your curls will stay in. Like,
Facts.
Being dead ass. Like, me personally, when I take a shower with my locks, I wear a shower cap so that way my hair won't get wet as often. Like I said,
you need the UpNext multi-purpose beam.
I'll be trying to keep, like,
fuck a shower cap.
Curl definition in, so I wear a shower cap to protect my hair. And still to this day, bro, I wash my hair like once a month. I don't really do too much. I don't really do twice a month, 4 times a month. I feel like the more you wash your hair, bro, like, it's not really that good for you, especially if you're using some weird ass shampoo. And I'm gonna be honest too, bro, I need a cut. Look at that. I got the
we all do, bro.
Oh yeah, also guys, my new song drops December 17th. Gone. Are you ready? I literally cannot get this.
Got a technical back.
But yeah, bro, it looked like it just, you know.
I'm trying my best, yo.
I like lint or whatever.
Head ass off.
Facts. That's how it be, bro. A pencil? Really?
Boom, 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 boom. You know what I'm saying?
Don't tell me he done pulled out the chalk.
All right, look at that.
The white chalk pencil.
Done, so we just gotta get the back.
What type of pencil is that? That boy really grabbed it. Looked like a damn toothpick. Bro, hair about to be curly as fuck.
Like, look, like, y'all see this? Y'all see that? I know y'all see this, bro.
Bro, just pull it apart, bro. You bullshitting, bro. Stop bullshitting, bro. Just pull it apart.
This has to get out.
Stop bullshitting. Talking about you need the pencil. Nigga, you don't pull that bitch down. You don't pull that bitch off. Nigga trying to make the video over complicated. Ain't gonna cap, bro. She really just freeformed your parts too. Your parts ain't even straight. I mean, it's cool, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just saying, like,
look at your boy, you know
I don't like when motherfuckers freeform my parts. Come on, G. That's why they call you foo-foo right there, cause you.
But let's be honest, y'all. LaRock has came a long way in the Dreadlock, you know, game, community. Like, bro, I feel like, you know, from the moment when I started in 2016, and now look where we at in 2023, damn near, bro. My hair like is definitely evolved, bro. You know
what's wrong with you, bro? What? Why are you acting like a white lady in a magazine, or not a magazine, but like in a commercial? Like, come on, bro. Slow motion type shit. Yeah,
now you know what I'm saying. The ladies love me. I mean, they always love me, but they love me. You know what I'm saying? They love me. But the number one rule I always tell people before getting locks, you need to have patience, bro. Without patience,
I told y'all that.
You're not gonna do good in this, you know, in this.
I told y'all that. I told y'all. Y'all thought I'd be capping, man. I be knowing the fuck going on, bro.
You need patience in order to get to where you want to be at in life, and I feel like dreadlocks are they've definitely helped me in my life. They definitely taught me a lot of things. You know what I'm saying? And that's why I feel like when you also go through the journey of life while also having your locks, it's like all that trauma, all that pain, all that energy, all that good times are in your hair. You know what I'm saying? That's why in 2019, I feel like I needed to cut my hair because I needed to start over. I needed a new beginning. And
I feel you.
Looking back at it, bro, I don't regret shit. I don't regret cutting my hair back in 2019. Like, I needed it, bro. I needed a restart. I graduated high school, you know what I'm saying? I just needed a restart, bro. And look at where we at now, man. Like, life is just amazing. You continue to grow, you continue to evolve, and I'm just truly grateful to have you guys as my, you know, viewers.
I've been feeling like that too, but
like
nah.
Fans kind of, it's kind of corny, not gonna lie. It's kind of cringy.
Yeah, YouTubers, we don't got fans, bro. We got supporters, bro.
Videos, you know what I'm saying? I'm super excited for you
YouTubers, we don't have fans. We have supporters. No cap.
December 17th, yes.
Rappers have fans.
So if you're watching this when I uploaded this, bro, the video dropped Saturday. But if you're watching this after Saturday,
why are you yelling in the mic? I'm so glad I got this nigga down all the way down, bro. This nigga all up in the mic.
Give me constructive criticism. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get better.
Now he talking about his music video. All right, man. I appreciate y'all for coming through. Make sure y'all go like. Make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel. I'm gonna catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.